So, hello everybody, this is Rachna Kakkar this side, and today I have a very consistent member of my community, the 5 a.m. Women Victory Club, and who's been getting some amazing results because of her consistency. So, I have with me Ratna Bhatt, who is a doctor. She's an MD in homeopath, and she's also an assistant professor. Hi, Ratna, and welcome. Thank you so much for being a part of this brief interview. May I request you to please introduce yourself to all our viewers?
Thank you so much, ma'am. It's really amazing. Thank you so much for calling me. I'm Dr. Ratna Bhatt. I'm practicing as ma'am said homeopathy. I'm MD homeopath. At the same time, I do have a lot of interest in healing methods. So I believe in counseling and energy healing, which I'm already practicing with Reiki and regression therapy. That is to go with the flow of person's subconscious mind and clearing the hidden emotions or working on negative emotions so the person can progress, and even past life regression therapy in suggested patients. And now I'll be also practicing one new healing method, that is theta healing. So that is my area of interest, and I would love to cure my patients without medicine or with very less medicine.
Wonderful,
Also,
wonderful.
I'm working as assistant professor in homeopathic college in Ahmedabad.
Okay, great, great. So, Ratna, would you want to share with our viewers, this community, the 5 a.m. Women Victory Club? When did you get introduced to this community?
Okay, I saw one book by Robin Sharma, 5 a.m. Club, and I bought it. I wanted to wake up early because, after becoming wife and mother, it is very difficult to pursue your own dream. जैसे शांति से टाइम मिलके सोचना भी कभी कभी मुश्किल हो रहा था मेरे लिए. So
Right.
I was just thinking, okay, I should try in a different way, because this is most of the people are doing. So how to pursue my dreams and all. And then I saw Rachna ma'am's ad on Facebook, and then I communicated with her. क्योंकि मुझे बहुत बड़ा क्वेश्चन यही था कि माई डॉटर इज जस्ट 3 years ओल्ड, तो उसका स्लीप पैटर्न सेट नहीं था, मेरी नींद पूरी नहीं हो रही थी, तो मुझे लगा कि मैं ये कर पाऊंगी कि नहीं कर पाऊंगी. एंड आई कनेक्टेड विद मैम एंड उनको वॉइस मैसेज मैंने डाला, एंड शी रिप्लाइड कि नहीं आप ट्राई करो, यू विल बी एबल टू डू दैट. And she gave me that confidence. So only I dared to join actually. Otherwise, I wouldn't have joined. And because of you only, ma'am, I tried for 1 week and then I found it amazing. I found great change in myself, energy wise, positivity wise. So I thought of I thought of continuing it, and I'm getting really great results with that.
Wonderful, wonderful. So now you can easily get up in the morning at 5 o'clock?
Yes, yes. 4:30 sharp I get up without even alarm. And 4:30 मेरी आँख खुली जाती है एक बार, और 4:45 को मैं बाहर बेड से बाहर हो जाती हूँ. So that's easy. It's not tough for me.
Okay, so amazing. For all those people who are, somewhere have their that fear in mind and don't take steps कि पता नहीं सुबह हम उठ पाएंगे कि नहीं उठ पाएंगे. Here is a beautiful example. So just give yourself a little try, come out of your comfort zone, and that's where you will be able to make this a part and make this a habit for yourself. So what else
Okay.
do you like about this community?
I love that it's a great positive thing to share experiences of each other. Even I found that in many other exercises, when people share their experiences, the view of seeing life changes. जैसे आप कराते हो हाउ टू बी ग्रेटफुल, तो इट हैज बिकम मैंने बहुत ज्यादा सीखा है कि हाउ विद स्मॉल स्मॉल थिंग्स यू कैन बी ग्रेटफुल. तो वो चीज है, हाउ इंस्टेंट द मैजिक इज क्रिएटेड, हाउ इंस्टेंटली वन कैन गेट द रिजल्ट. सो जैसे सब कनेक्टेड होते हैं तो एक मोमेंटम बना रहता है कि नहीं चलो सब आ गए, मुझे भी जाना है, आई शुड नॉट मिस अ डे. So that's a group energy, and meditations are very wonderful. They are superb. So this is something I really appreciate.
So my next question to you is that you've of late, achieved a couple of your goals. So would you want to share with our viewers what your goals were, which got manifested after being a part of this community?
Yes, surely, ma'am. Actually, मैंने आपसे पहले start किया weekly workshop था. So that time I only had written one thing about my promotion, okay, and then because of certain thing I could continue. So in the week only, it started that where I work, the principal called me and she asked me for she offered me a promotion, that too with my time, what the suitability of my time, and she asked me कि क्या increment लेंगे इस तरीके से, which was something very surprising for me क्योंकि time duration वगैरह मुझे flexible ही रखना था because of my daughter. So I was surprised कि okay इन्होंने मुझे बुलाया. Then I thought कि देखते हैं आगे कैसा होता है क्या होता है, and then because of certain things it got on hold. Then again I joined the regular batch, and then I started working on my goal, and then it was like we had a lot of discussion, and but she agreed to my terms, whatever timings and the thing, and with flexibility, which is a good achievement because that's what I wanted, and my promotion was due since 1 year. तो एक साल से ड्यू था. तो इनिशियल लास्ट ईयर में कोशिश करते करते थक गई थी, फिर मैंने छोड़ दिया था कि चलो अभी छोड़ देते हैं जो भी है ऐसा है. बट दैट वाज अ ग्रेट थिंग आई एक्सपीरियंस्ड, and after joining this club only it happened. So that is one thing. And second, recently I could achieve is ke I love learning different kind of new methods of healing. And I was like कि कैसे करेंगे क्या करेंगे, but people who teach this method are very less internationally. So the time is one of the foundation, because यहाँ पे ऐसा होता है कि workshop में ये लोग सिखाते हैं 2 दिन 5 दिन का continuous होता है, whole day you have to spend. That was really not possible with me. So I could found one practitioner who turns out to be my very good friend, and she lives in Canada. So हमारा टाइम उस हिसाब से सेट हो गया. She agreed that मैं तुम्हें रोज 1.5 घंटा सिखाऊंगी, so we can work on that. And दिवाली की छुट्टियों में I could take the advantages of it, and the exact date that is written, just 2 days उसके आगे पीछे हमारा almost finish भी हो जाएगा इस तरीके. So that is a great thing. I was like so thrilled कि I could learn that as well. ऐसा.
Wonderful.
So thank you so much for for this motivation. ऐसा.
So it is your consistency, it is your belief and your trust that how writing goals, registers it in our subconscious mind, and ultimately, just writing doesn't matter. You need to have that belief, you need to have that trust in your own self, and above all, you need to take action. So you are an action
Right.
taker, and I really really appreciate that apart from following all the rituals every day, being consistent, you are also taking actions, and I'm so happy. So I'm congratulate you for all the efforts that you've taken, and I wish you many many more success and many many more goals and dreams to come true. So
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much.
so one last, any message for our viewers or people who want to be a part of the community, who want to, wish to bring some transformation in their life, but are not able to take that one step? Any message for these people?
Just take this step of 5 AM club, and बाकी जो है रचना मैम करवा देगी. आप खुद से फूट के ज्वाइन कर लो. You just need to come and join. That's all. She has got all areas covered. Health, relationship, dreams, manifestation, पता नहीं क्या क्या सब कुछ एरिया में वो आपको रिजल्ट दे सकते हैं. You just have to be a part. बस. That's all. She's a great guide and teacher. So thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you so much. Thank you. And once again, we'll wish you all the best in the life ahead. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.